Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig as they play ice skating together. Let's get started and have fun. First, I begin by drawing Peppa Pig's eyes, then her smiling mouth and rosy cheeks. Next, I add her nose and shape her face. On her head, I draw a cozy beanie and then a warm scarf wrapped around her neck. After that, I draw her hand and her body. And don't forget she's wearing a pair of ice skates. Look how well Peppa is skating already. Right next to her, I start drawing George Pig by sketching his eyes, then his happy smiling mouth and cheeks. I continue with his nose and add a beanie on his head. Then, I draw his scarf and body, finishing with his two legs ready for skating. To make our drawing clearer, I trace over it with a black marker. Now, let's color together. I start by painting everything pink. Then use red to color Peppa's beanie and her clothes. Her scarf, gloves, and ice skates get a lovely purple shade. For George, I color his beanie dark blue, then paint his scarf and gloves bright yellow, and his ice skates red. Finally, I color their skin a soft light pink to finish. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next one. See you next time. Goodbye!